Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play air on G string on the piano. First, let's set up. The piece is in C major, so there are no sharps or flats to worry about. It's also in 4/4 time, meaning 4 beats per measure. Place your right hand with your thumb on middle C and your left hand an octave lower. This initial positioning is crucial for a smooth start. Now let's focus on the right hand, which carries the beautiful melody. The opening notes are E, D, C, B, C, D, E, F, E, D, C, B. Aim for a smooth, connected sound, almost like singing. Use your fingers to create a flowing line, ensuring each note has equal weight. Practice this section at a slow tempo, gradually increasing speed as you gain confidence. The left hand provides the harmonic foundation for the piece. It often plays arpeggiated chords, creating a gentle, flowing background. You'll encounter chords like C major, G major, A minor, and F major. The key is to keep the left hand soft and supportive, allowing the right hand melody to shine. Practice the left hand patterns independently to ensure fluidity and evenness. Once both hands are comfortable with their individual parts, begin combining them very slowly. Focus on the coordination between your hands, ensuring the melody remains clear and the accompaniment supportive. Listen carefully for balance. The right hand should always be more prominent. A metronome can be a great tool to help you maintain a steady tempo and improve your rhythmic accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.